The last 2011 box is 2011 Panini Certified. 4 hits. Usually 2 autos, 2 jerseys. Just like 2013 had. Alright, 10 packs. 2011 Panini Certified. Pack number 1. So got a rookie card for the Packers of Derek Sherrod. Derek Sherrod for the Packers rookie out of $9.99. Pack number 2. See something shiny in here. Might be a hit. Ooh, it's backwards. Got a couple backwards cards. Alright. Have a certified gold team for the Patriots of Tom Brady. That's numbered out of $9.99. Tom Brady certified gold team out of $9.99. And hit number 1 goes to the Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware jersey out of $250. DeMarcus Ware jersey out of $250 for the Cowboys. That one goes to Mark Griffey. One hit out of the way. On to pack number 3. Alright, have a red parallel for the Texans, Brian Cushing out of $250. Brian Cushing for the Texans out of $250. Pack number 4. Looks like hit number 2 is going to be right here. No rookies, just the hit. For the Vikings, nice. Carl Eller and Jared Allen, dual jersey. Fabric of the game. I didn't know they made Fabric of the Game duels, but that's cool. Carl Eller and Jared Allen for the Vikings dual jersey out of $150. That one goes to All In Gamer. Jared Allen and Carl Eller out of $150 for the Vikings. Pretty nice one right there. So this is pack 5. Still looking for 2 autos. And that one's backwards. Nope, just a rookie. Have a rookie for the Chiefs, Jonathan Baldwin out of $9.99. Jonathan Baldwin for the Chiefs out of $9.99. Alright, we got 5 packs left. Still looking for both autos. Have a blue parallel for the Chiefs of Jamal Charles out of 100. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs, blue parallel out of 100. Alright, 4 packs. So half of these packs are going to have hits. Looks like one's going to be right here. Base out of the way. So we just got base cards and then the hit. Should be a pretty decent one. Jake Locker, auto jersey for the Titans out of 299. I think we've actually hit this card before, maybe not. Jake Locker, auto dual jersey for the Titans. That one goes to Pure JD 86P. Not too bad. Jake Locker, auto dual jersey out of 299. So 3 packs left. One auto left. And here it is right here. The last hit of the box goes to the Texans, TJ Yates. Auto out of 250. Number 12 of 250. One off his jersey number. TJ Yates for the Texans out of 250. So maybe a good time to hit it. It's going to get some playing time with Schaub hurt. TJ Yates for the Texans. So 2 packs left. Try to hit some parallels or inserts. Maybe an extra hit. Rookie. Rookie for the Redskins, Niles Paul out of 9.99. Niles Paul for the Redskins out of 9.99. And the last pack. This rookie. Just have a rookie for the Chiefs, Ricky Stanzi out of 9.99. Ricky Stanzi for the Chiefs out of 9.99.